Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Saturday Samayal but Sunday edition. So, we were going to do all of this yesterday, that is 2nd of May, but we got super lazy and we went out and had our lunch. We all know how much Karthik loves full meals. And last night he told me, let's eat rasam tomorrow, let's eat everything that we plan to eat today. We'll do that tomorrow. So, here we are. I am going to show you everything that we are going to make. But before that, I had already given my kitchen hand some tasks, and kitchen hand is being very cute and very disciplined. Let's go and see how much he has done, and then we'll get started with our cooking. Come cook with me. Hi kitchen hand, have you
Hi, chef.
completed all the tasks?
Yes, chef. So I'll show you a list of what I've made. You tell me if this is complete.
Okay.
I've soaked tamarind for you.
Tamarind for us.
We've also soaked dal. Dal is ready to go.
I also had some boiled dal already.
Yes, I bought it from the fridge.
Yeah.
And we've finely chopped onions. Now I'm slicing chilies. We've also cubed tofu. And we've cut capsicum. And mind you, all of this capsicum is from our garden.
Yes.
I mean, all of them.
All of them.
Yes.
They were that big in size. So not very
And
big.
finally, my last task is to wash rice.
Correct.
After that, I'll leave the kitchen to you, chef.
Do you want to tell us what we are making today?
Yes.
Meaning, do you want to tell the audience what we are making today?
Yes. So for lunch, we're making sweet potato paratha followed by a simple dal recipe and then rice and rasam because I've been craving it for quite some time now, and rasam is a staple at this house if you don't know that already. For protein, we'll be making tofu and capsicum, and I think you've seen us make this countless times. Every Saturday, we make vegetarian meals, and it's either paneer or tofu or soya. And if we're making tofu, we always try to add a vegetable with it, and the preferred one is capsicum. So we made this countless times, but please stick with us. We'll try to make it as entertaining as possible.
Okay, you can go ahead and wash rice
Yes.
now. I'm adding some oil and turmeric to dal. We've used masoor dal for this, and this is washed rice. Both of them go into Instapot now. We're going to make tofu capsicum fry. So I'm adding avocado oil to the pan. We've got capsicum, we've got tofu, we've got our masalas. We'll quickly make it. While I make this, I'll be mixing rasam on the side, but you guys have seen that many times, so I'm not going to show you rasam. You guys also saw us keeping rice and dal in Instapot. So once that is done, I'll finish off tadka for the dal. But first, let's do tofu capsicum fry. I've added some fennel seeds and cumin seeds. Now I'm adding urad dal. Capsicum is mostly cooked now. I'm going to add tofu, and I'll also be adding some spices. So we are adding turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and little bit of garam masala. We always like a little bit of crunch, so I'm going to just add some peanuts to our tofu capsicum fry. Our tofu capsicum fry is now ready. We'll quickly make rasam and then move on to sweet potato paratha. Our rasam is done. We'll turn off the flame now. I've also added tadka. I'm just not showing you guys all that. I'm going to start making our sweet potato stuffing. I've boiled the sweet potato. You can use any sweet potato if you like, but I have only been using this Hawaiian sweet potato that we get from Costco. So the skin looks white and inside it's purple color. It's not purple sweet potato. This is Hawaiian sweet potato. I haven't tried this with other sweet potatoes. I've only tried it with this one, but this tastes so yum. I've already boiled it. I had boiled and kept already, so I'm just going to mash it using my hands. I've made sure there is no water in this. adding some ajwain or carom seeds in English, jeera, turmeric, salt, and some finely chopped green chilies. That's all. And I'll mix it nicely and I'll keep it aside for some time while we make the dough. So the last thing that we are making is dal tadka. I'm adding some ghee to a kadai. Cooked our dal and rice in Instapot. They are ready. We'll just quickly make tadka and serve. I'm adding mustard seeds, jeera, onions, curry leaves, and I'll also add 2 green chilies. Adding some tomatoes. Now I'm adding turmeric, little bit of chili powder and coriander powder. That's all. Now I'm adding dal to this. I'll bring it to boil. Once it's about to boil, we'll add a spoon of hing, garnish with coriander leaves and finish it off.